Hello, beautiful peoples! Hi guys, I'm back. So, kape kong kalahati lang muna habang hinihintay ko ang aking darling. So, after 16 hours of duty, uwi na siya. So, anong gagawin natin? Wala lang. Flex lang tayo dito. Hi guys! Sabay ganun. Oh, look at that. It was red the other days. So, bigla siyang naglighten and then ayan na siya. Darker yan, no? Like this. Ooh, I love it! O, diba? Hindi lang tayo pang talaga, pang dal-dal and all. We find aesthetic. Lapag mo na yung kape ko, ha? Aesthetic arts in everything. Oh, diba, guys? Look at that. So beautiful. Diba? Ang ganda. Ang ganda ng Mother Nature. Ang ganda ng gawa ng ating Creator. I'm very amazed with this anthurium foliage yellow ba ito? Because the flower, yung kanyang cover, variegated. Di ba nakaka-amaze? And I find it very amazing. Yung, tawag dito, hamog or dew. Dew the dew. So, ayan. Lipat tayo doon. Kahit ganito, still the garden is very beautiful as it is. Mas gusto ko na parang halo-halo siya or naka-chop suey edition because ganun talaga eh. You know what guys? Plants need each other side by side. Lalo na kapag nagpa-propagate at ilalagay mo within them tawag dito, insert mo lang dyan yung one of the plants and it will recover faster. Oh, 'di ba? So, ayan, meron tayong bagong tutorial. Oh, no. Oh, 'di ba? Kung hindi ako dito nagdadal and all, wala akong makikita ditong something. So, may aphids po and I'm going to syempre, tanggalin natin yan, no? Oh, it's moving. Diba? Amazing. Ayan pala siya. So, kailangan nyo tanggalin kasi nga, it will invade the plant at magiging pangit na tuloy yan. Hindi na yan magiging gandara. So, oh my gosh. Dito sila, oh. Look at that. So, soap and water will do or dishwashing liquid will do. And they're good to go. So, that's all muna for today, guys. Join me again on my next Daldalan video. Thank you for watching. Enjoy the rest of the day. And as always, from my little world to yours. Love, love, love.